Piezoelectricity and other energy characteristics of crystals. Crystals exhibit unique energy characteristics that have captivated scientists and researchers for centuries. This chapter explores the scientific aspects of piezoelectricity and other energy-related properties exhibited by crystals, shedding light on their objective significance. Piezoelectricity. Piezoelectricity is a scientifically recognized phenomenon in which certain crystals generate an electric charge when subjected to mechanical pressure or vibration. This property was first discovered by French physicists Jacques and Pierre Curie in 1880. They conducted experiments with quartz crystals, demonstrating the generation of electric charges upon mechanical stress. This paved the way for further research and applications of piezoelectric materials in various fields. Scientific experiment. To demonstrate piezoelectricity, a quartz crystal can be placed between two metal plates. Applying mechanical pressure or vibration to the crystal will result in the generation of an electric charge. This experiment replicates the pioneering work of the Curie brothers, providing empirical evidence of piezoelectric behavior. Energy amplification. Crystals have been observed to possess the ability to amplify energy in scientific studies. Dr. Marcel Vogel, a renowned scientist and IBM researcher, extensively investigated the energy properties of quartz crystals. He conducted experiments to measure the vibrational patterns and energy amplification capabilities of crystals. His findings suggested that crystals can resonate with and amplify external energy sources, contributing to their use in healing practices and energy work. Scientific experiment. To study energy amplification, Dr. Vogel developed experiments where individuals held quartz crystals while their energy levels and brainwave patterns were monitored using techniques such as electroencephalography, EEG, or biofeedback devices. These experiments aim to objectively measure changes in energy patterns before and after crystal interaction, providing scientific evidence of energy amplification. Energy storage and transmutation. Scientific research suggests that crystals can store and transmute energy. Dr. William Tiller, a materials science researcher and professor, conducted experiments exploring the energetic properties of crystals. He investigated how crystals absorb, retain, and release energy within their atomic structure. Dr. Tiller's work proposed the concept of energetic conditioning, where crystals can be intentionally programmed to store and transmit specific energies. Scientific experiment. To examine energy storage and transmutation, Dr. Tiller performed experiments involving the exposure of crystals to specific energy sources or intentions. Techniques such as infrared spectroscopy or thermoluminescence were employed to analyze changes in the crystal's electromagnetic fields and energy absorption and release patterns. These experiments provided scientific insights into the energy storage capabilities of crystals. Programmability and memory. Scientific investigations suggest that crystals may exhibit programmable properties, enabling them to store and transmit specific energetic frequencies or intentions. Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese researcher, conducted experiments on the effects of intention and consciousness on water crystals. Although primarily focused on water, Dr. Emoto's work highlighted the potential for crystals to be programmed and influenced by thoughts and intentions. Scientific experiment. To explore the programmability of crystals, researchers have conducted experiments involving the exposure of crystals to specific electromagnetic frequencies while monitoring changes in their crystal lattice structure and electromagnetic field interactions. These experiments, influenced by the pioneering work of Dr. Emoto, provides scientific evidence supporting the idea of crystals being programmable and capable of retaining and radiating specific energies. The investigation of piezoelectricity and other energy characteristics of crystals through scientific experimentation as conducted by scientists like the Curie brothers, Marcel Vogel, William Tiller, and Masaru Emoto, adds objectivity to their understanding. The empirical evidence gathered from these experiments provides a solid foundation for acknowledging and exploring the objective significance of crystals' energy properties.